I got kinetic sand. Look at it. There's some molds. A pink heavy kinetic sand. There's 5 molds, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6 molds. Let's just do it up. Open it. Ah! Ugly.
What's on? Mas maganda. Kaya nga, ito yan.
It's heavy. There's some pink sand, and this is made of real sand, I think. It's soft. It's really soft. I'll try it. Oh. Open it. It's a mixture of clay and sand. I'm going to make a pyramid. Pink and pink. I like that.
Sorry, sinihirap ko lahat.
Okay. I'll make a sand. Look at it. It's all in there. Just press really hard. Really, really hard. And okay. It's a pink pyramid. There's like salt, I think. What is that? Sweetness. Ice. Do it. Now I'm going to do this one. Bye. I think it's good. Oh, it's too muddy. Wait,
Oops. Like a wall.
It looks like a wall. Okay, it's all inside. I got this one. This pyramid. Can you hold it? And this one. I didn't get this one. But at least it's built. Look. I think the hair was like a snake because I saw it and it's thin like a snake and it's long. Pink.
Yeah.
Okay, goodbye. I hope you like my kinetics, and that's all for today. Sorry I didn't build all of it. Sorry. Bye.
Bye. This.